And there's plenty of other spaces to park, but I'm just going to leave it right there because, like I said, it's out of the way. We are about to get on the water, take these river shoes off, put them up there, put a few more things away, and I think we're ready. All right, there's 71 where we got out. We are now underway. We are on the Colorado. I did the 14-day flow rate to show what it was before and what it's been on some of these trips. So far, this is about the largest rapid I've seen. This is just, well, I just turned the corner and back there is 71. Looks like there might be some sort of little old dam or something here. Definitely a rock shelf. Oh shoot. All right, that was just past Waldo's camp. That was a rapid, nothing major. Longer than the last, but about equivalent in how big the rapids were. So not very big at all. Just a longer amount of rapids. I'm just pedaling along, not paying attention, and there's a storm behind me. I still haven't heard any thunder yet, or at least I don't think so. They could be coming from the east, going west or northwest from the southeast. And if that's the case, that should be going away from me. That's just too sharp of an edge. And these are the ones I made. And so you can see that it keeps catching me. So on redesign, I'm going to have to round those edges like I did here. I'm going to have to round it all the way around. She's looking up the other way. Back the other way, and I don't see anything over there. She's more concerned about that, I guess. Or should I go? She's gonna go. That's not too far from that other deer. She's just right down from it. Oh, there's another little baby one right there. She's walking right up to it. This is the railroad bridge right before Highway 10. You can hear Highway 10. So I think here pretty soon we'll be able to see it. All right, there's a better shot of the bridge on the other side of the railroad. They're working on it, but I thought I saw a car go across. So I think that takes you somewhere, must be downtown Columbus. I'll have to look on the map. All right, that looks to be a park over there. It does have something that comes down to the beach. I cannot tell if it's closed off. It doesn't look like it. All right, there's Highway 10. Sounds like they're working over here to the right. So yeah, it looks like they're getting a new bridge to 10, probably widening it. Pretty good sandy beach. Right down from Highway 10. We're gonna get our bag out because I've got my pack raft seats. They're way softer. We're gonna put it on top of the seat we already have. First casualty of the trip. So I'm gonna use all these up before I go and print more. And then I'll do more infill. This one's only got 15% infill. So I'm using the pack raft backing as a seat. I'm gonna use it as a pillow tonight when I sleep. And then we've replaced that. So we should be good to go for another couple hours, I believe. All right, got the pedal drive system going. Got the back part of my seat for my pack raft as a seat. Way more comfortable. So this should allow me to last a little longer on the pedal drive before I have to stand up. All right, taster's choice. Oh man, it's still hot. Still real hot. And I don't know if cattle have knocked this down or what. I saw some fences earlier on, but it's getting easier to find, just a get out spot almost anywhere. And our little seat back there is working out great on the pedal drive. Keeps getting sunburned, even when I put my shoes on. That's a little bit tan from the last 2 trips, but it peeled eventually because it got sunburned. So I am ripping holes in the ends of these socks, and then that's what I'm going to use. I guess I can buy some longer tube socks. I don't know if this guy is stuck or not. I just wanted to come up Oh no, he's not. Alright, I'm not gonna bother you, dude. We're holding on to a pecan tree right now. So it's got little baby pecans on there. Pecans, as the people up north would say. Here, one of these crack, so we may have to replace it later on. Now, for some reason, there's a bunch of katydids right here in this tree that I'm trying to hold on to. I have to inflate my seat. Look at all of them. I don't think I've seen that many all together in one location. This guy's like pissed at me. You can see where they've been nibbling on the leaves. But a bunch of katydids. A bunch of them. Look. All over here. Now this guy went down here and he's hiding. There's another guy up here. This is going to be our camping location. Like always, I'm running out of time. I am about maybe a foot and a half off the water. I'll run the board underneath just so that I'm off the surface. I've got to get the mosquito net set up. Then I'm going to eat. I'm going to get the only things that I really need in here with me. I'm going to use this as a pillow. I've got the other seat for the pack raft. It's a little larger. I'm going to put that underneath my back or wherever I need it. And yeah, we'll be sleeping right here on the water. I don't know if you can see that, but everything's got to be tied down. So somebody's up there shooting. Pretty close to where I'm camped.